Check it out. Have you ever seen that before? Because it reminds me of how Fred Flintstone would work out. Look. Some paddle boarding. This guy is selling stuff. Looks like a favela there. She's trying her best to get the dog to leave. He's like having none of it. He's like, nope. It's amazing, isn't it? So it's Sunday morning. You know what that means in South America? Ciclovia. Except I don't see any cyclists. Everyone's running. It's alright, isn't it? So we're gonna run along the beach. I think a lot of the major roads are closed, just like in Lima, Bogota, many other countries as well. And yeah, we're gonna have a little explore. There's Copacabana Beach there. Look at this view from up here, look. It's amazing, isn't it? There's a guy fishing there, look. And what else we got? Oh, looks like a favela there. The views are amazing, aren't they? Check it out. Look at this beach. And look at Senor Dogger. Hello. We're on the seafront. We're on the beach just west of Copacabana Beach. I don't remember the name, but it's equally as nice. And there's vendors selling things. Yeah, check out the beach, look at that. So if you keep walking this way, you can actually go to one of the nearest favelas in the area. It's not really that bad, to be honest. It's quite nice. But yeah, people are selling things like bags, blankets. Overpriced tourist things, obviously, but yeah, it's nice to see what they have in the area, what you can buy, and then you have the choice whether to buy it or buy the same thing cheaper a little further away. But yeah, this beach is nice. Just like Copacabana, it has a walking path all the way along, and right now it's Sunday, so everyone's running and cycling in the road. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Look at that, lots of coconuts. But I've seen people drinking the coconut water from a coconut. The prices range from, I think, 5 all the way to, I think, 12 I've seen. So yeah, from $1 to just over $2. It's not bad though, is it? But yeah, look at the beach. It's so clean and blue. People are swimming, boating. Look at that. Some paddle boarding. This guy is selling stuff. What's he selling? What's he selling? I don't know. Maybe cigarettes. Cigarettes or Class A drugs. Wow. Yeah, so take a look. I guess a lot of people can just like shove their bike here, then dip in the ocean. I saw people surfing, mainly at the ends there where the waves are a bit more choppy. There's a Brazilian perro. Yes. The dog doesn't want to go home. She's trying her best to get the dog to leave. He's like having none of it. He's like, nope. Have fun. It's so funny. Check it out, it's Muscle Beach, Rio. Look at that. Check it out. Have you ever seen that before? Look, they even have racks for them here. You can do your squats, your dips, your overhead press. That's so random. It's pretty cool though. And look at your view as well, you know, while you're working out. It's not bad, is it? It's not bad. You can plank. Well, you can plank anywhere, I guess, but look at the weights. It reminds me of how Fred Flintstone would work out. Look at that as well. Mad, isn't it? Pretty cool. Look at these cacti here. I used to have one of these from IKEA. His name was Terry, but I think Terry died in the end. I think I overwatered it. I think when you water a cactus, you have to give them a lot, but really infrequently, and they suck it up like a sponge, like a camel. I think there's some prickly pears growing on these. Yeah, there they are. Look. You can eat those. Look how clear the water is. It's so blue, and around this area you can swim. Look how peaceful it is. Check that out. It's nice, isn't it? Look at these buggers. Whoa, what is that? It's not a jackfruit, right? No. Or it could be a baby. But look how many there are. Imagine if one of those came down on your head. Look at that. Wow. It's like the tree has balls. It's so random just seeing that. Look at this tree's roots. It's like it's doing the splits. So random. So look at this here. So the beach is through there. Copacabana Beach is there. And this is the other side of the lagoon, I guess you could call it. It's a little waterfall in the mountain there. You got a nice cycle path. Gym equipment all the way around. It's not bad, is it? It's not a bad city.